What's up, O'Brien Army? So, we're in an undisclosed location in California. But if you were to jump off of there, your ass is dead. Hey, Sean, you think you're brave enough to go up there and jump off? Oh, hell no. Nobody's jumping off of that shit. Nobody better jump off of that shit. Oh, it's the Devil's Slide Trail. The Devil's Slide Trail. I wonder why they call it that. Let's go up the trail. Let's go up the trail. You want an ass beating? Ajay, Aiden. I gotta go back and see what's keeping them.
Morning.
Hi. We're from Hemet.
So am I.
Yeah, I want to live up here, damn it. Yeah. Why do they call that the Devil's Slide Trail over there?
No, I've heard that name came from. I don't like it.
I think it's dangerous. It has to be dangerous. Where the hell did they go? Ajay, Aiden. We're going up the Devil's Slide Trail. We're going to go up the Devil's Slide Trail. I got us a stick.
Man, what are you doing?
We're going to go up the Devil's Slide Trail. That's what we're doing.
Well, we'll see. And when we get over there, I'll check it out.
I'm on my way up there right fucking now. No. This stick or this stick?
So are you guys hiking up the trail?
Yeah.
Did you get a permit from the ranger station? You have
We
to
need
have
a-
a hiking permit.
We need a permit to hike up there?
Yes, It's free, but you have to fill out a permit. So
You should probably tell our job coaches that.
Who's your job coach? Are you a group?
Yeah, we're an intern
Oh,
group.
okay.
They're down there.
What's your name?
The job coaches are over there.
Okay, I'll come over and talk to them.
Yo, Aiden, Ajay, there's a ranger over there that wants to talk to you two. A ranger? I don't know. Just something about getting a permit to go hiking. They said it's free, but we got to fill out a permit at the ranger station.
Where's that at?
I don't know.
Okay.
But
Give us a second.
yeah, there's a ranger over there or something. Yeah, so you think you're brave enough to go all the way up there and jump off? Yeah, me too. You fall off of there and your ass is done.
Well, we had a couple people die up there last year.
Because of the fires?
No, they were climbing and they fell.
Don't worry, I brought the ranger with me.
What's going on?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Morning. Are you guys hiking this trail?
We're just waiting for the rest of our coworkers. We're probably gonna hike it.
Okay, did you is someone getting a hiking permit from the ranger station?
Mark,
Okay.
one of the other coworkers.
Okay, so he is getting one.
Yeah, because it's our first time here. He's always coming up here with the
Nice.
our,
He has like love.
Oh, that'll
It's
be
my
fun.
first time being up here
he
in
loves it.
Idyllwild.
You're gonna love it.
Yeah, he is.
Wait till you cross the streams up on the trail. It's so pretty.
Are those for us?
Yeah. Do you think I'm gonna get you?
No.
No, these are for me.
Any wild animals we have to worry about?
Nope. The only thing I ever see is a squirrel.
Oh,
That was last year I was coming up here. They was climbing up.
Yeah. Yeah, and make sure it's okay to smoke right here, but just make sure you don't smoke on the trail.
yes.
Yeah. Okay, well, I'll probably see you guys up there later.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Well, depends how far you want to go. This trail here goes 2.5 miles to Saddle Junction, if you want to go that far. And that's a 1,700-foot elevation gain. So you are going up in the altitude, and it's a little steep in some areas, but it's doable. You
I
guys are
have
young.
one more question.
Yes.
Where the heck is the ranger station where we're supposed to get the permit
It's
from?
in Idyllwild.
Well, Mark's getting the.
He's getting the permit for all of you. So one permit for your group is all you need. And you guys got a pass for your car to park?
Oh, I don't know
You
about.
need an adventure pass. Because
Oh, where do we get that?
at the ranger station,
Yeah, because I know my coworker. He has all that stuff.
unless he has an extra one. If for some reason you got a citation from the Forest Service saying you need one, then you would just mail that in with the $5 that it costs.
Does it only cost $5?
Yeah, they're $5 for the day. So if they do that on your car, if they leave you a note that it's a fine, then you just mail that in, the $5.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah.
Should we just drive down there and get one?
Unless he's getting them for all of you.
We don't have no service neither.
Yeah, there's no service up here, so you want to turn your phones off, or your battery will drain.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you want to turn your phone off, or else put it on airplane mode. That's what I do. When you put it on airplane mode, it's not searching for a signal, because you're not going to get any signal on the trail.